Today we are going to cover number surprises. Good morning, dear students. I, Parul Madam, welcome you all in the online mathematics class. Today we are at the final stage of completing this lesson number 7. Can you see the pattern? Let's start. Number surprises. Ask your friend to write down his age secretly without disclosing it to you. Suppose he writes his age as 9. Now tell him to add 5 to it. So he gets 9 plus 5 is 14. Next, tell him to multiply this sum 14 by 2. So he gets 14 to Zar is 28. Next, tell him to subtract 10 from 28. So he gets 28 minus 10 is 18. Next, divide this 18 by 2. That is 18 divided by 2 is 9. Now ask him what answer he got. He will reply as 9. And that 9 is your friend's age. So we can get your friend's age back, isn't it? Your friend also will be surprised to get the same number again. This game you can play with your parents also. B. Take a number. Suppose I assume a number 11. Double that number. That is 11 2s is 22. Now multiply the answer by 5. That is 22 5s is 110. Next, divide this answer by 10. That is 110 divided by 10. We get 11. In this question also, we got the initial number back. Here, we assumed the number 11. And after doing 3 operations, we got the same number 11 back. This game also you can play with your family and friends by asking them to assume a number and then performing these 3 operations and then getting back the assumed number. C. Now again take a number. Suppose I assume the number as 8. Double this number. For doubling the number, we multiply that number by 2. That is 8 2s is 60. Again double the answer. That is multiply the answer 16 with 2. So 16 2s is 32. Now add the assumed number 8 to the answer 32. So 32 plus 8 we get as 40. Now again double this answer. That is multiply this answer by 2. So 42s is 80. Divide this answer by 10. That is 80 divided by 10 we get as 8. In this question also we got the initial number back. Here we assumed the number 8 and after doing 5 operations we got the same number 8 back. This game also you can play with your family and friends by asking them to assume a number and performing these 5 operations and then getting back the assumed number. D. Now look at the given pattern and take it forward. 1 is 1 ones are. 121 is 11 elevens are. 12,321 is 111 multiplied by 111. 12,34,321 is 1,111 multiplied by 1,111. 12 crore 34 lakhs 54,321 is 11,111 multiplied by 11,111. Next row 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 is 1,11,111 multiplied by 1,11,111. Next row 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 is 11,11,111 multiplied by 11,11,111 and so on. In this way, you can take the given pattern forward. So today we learned some number surprises. Now you have to make your own number surprises. Hope to meet you in next online mathematics class. Thank you. Take care.